Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is freeze and seal method in JavaScript. How they are differentiated. What is the difference between Object.Freeze, Object.Seal method. Without any further ado, let us start the video, guys. So now, let me create a file. I'll put object seal and freeze.js. So seal and freeze.js, I'll write. So here let me create a simple object. The simple object I'll write our object as constant employee. Employee will have a serial number. Let us give serial number as 1, and he will have a name as test, and also he has address. I'll write city here as X. So now there are different ways to make an object immutable. So we have two methods to make object immutable. So we have freeze and see. So let us see freeze method now. So in freeze, what will happen? If I just put object dot freeze, so what it will do, it will lock the attributes. By definition only, we will understand freeze is nothing but object will lock the attributes. So I'll put employee. I'll put employee here. Let us see what it will do. First now I'll write, so I'll put console.log to see whether actually this object is freeze or not. So I'll put console.log object.isFreeze. So method should be there. Is frozen. So employee, we are expecting probably here yes, because we have already freeze the object. So now node seal and freeze.js. So the answer is not true. What do you exactly mean by object is frozen? So if I want to change, let's say employee.name, if I want to change name to test, if I want to change name to test1, right? Can we change it? So here I'll do console.log of employee. I'll pause this console.log for now. Let us see whether we can change the object test to see. The name itself is test. So test2 it didn't change. So what will happen here? Properties attributes are freezed. In a sense, you cannot change. So what if I try to change this city? So these serial number and name are immediate properties. City is a property of an immediate property. It is actually another object. So what will happen? So if I put employee dot address dot city, if I put it as y, can we change it? So what I'll do, I'll copy this, I'll paste it here, I'll console log, I'll comment this, and let's see what will happen. So as you can see here, serial number is still 1, name is test, and address property we can change it to y. So attributes are freeze, immediate properties are freezed. So attributes of immediate properties cannot be freezed. So now what if I want to add something? Let's say employee.department I want to add. So department I want to add as CS. Can I add it? Let's see. So I want to see whether that department has been added. So let's see here. So if I put sealfreeze.cs, the department is not added. So you cannot add also. Cannot add when the object is frozen. So what if I cannot add? If I want to delete the existing. So if I want to put delete space employee.name. If I want to delete, can I do it? So let's see if I can do it or not. Can I delete it? No. See, name is still there. I'm not able to delete it. So only thing you can do, guys. So attributes are phrased. Attributes of immediate properties like city can be changed. We cannot add anything to the object or we cannot delete it. So now let us see um, seal method. So for the seal method, I'll comment everything here. We can use the same object. Now let me copy the seal to the top so that you can easily see this object and we can try it. Fine. So freeze and seal. Now what I'll do, I'll take seal. I'll take seal here. So now we will do the same thing what we have done before. So object.seal method is there. Now I'm doing what? I'm sealing the object here. So I want to see whether object is sealed. So I'll put console.log is object dot is sealed. You can see here is sealed. We want to enter object here. My object is employee. So now I'll close this. I'll clear the screen. Now let me write seal and freeze. So it's true. Object is already sealed. Now what we're expecting here is true, and that is what we got. So now can I change the name? So if you want to change the name to test1, right? And I want to print it. So I'll put console.log of employee. So let us see whether it has changed. See, it has changed test1. In Frozen, guys, we were not able to change any attribute. Here, we can change an attribute, immediate attribute. If we can change the immediate attribute, so even you can change the immediate attributes attribute. In the sense, nested JSON also, you can change it. Fine. So we'll see employee.address.city. I want to give it as some Z. I'll put capital Z. So let us see whether city can be changed from X to Z. So what I'll do, I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. Can be changed. If immediate properties can be changed, even the nested properties can be changed. So let's see. So now see, the name has changed as well, and also address city is Z. So now nested properties can be changed. So now we'll see the last. If you want to add anything, if you want to get it. So let's see employee dot department. If I want to add, can I add it? So let me copy this. Can I add it? Let's see. So if the object is sealed, you cannot add anything. Let's see whether we can delete it. So delete employee dot serial number. Let us try this. If we are able to delete it. So now if we are able to delete it, we'll see whether it can print or not. So here I'll write cannot be added. So now serial number is not deleted. So the difference between seal and freeze, guys, seal and freeze are almost same, except the properties in Frozen cannot be changed. What are the properties existing are there in the object, but in seal it can be changed. Apart from that, both are almost same. If you like the video and if you find the video is informative, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.